Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking on it. Again, I really appreciate it. If you like this content, leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me so much. I got some very friendly comments on my last videos. Of course, I reply to all of them, but it really helps me a lot. Like you don't realize how much such comments can motivate a person. So thank you so much. And if you feel like commenting, please don't hold back and do. I love it. So anyway, let's dive into AI. So we all know that AI is transforming industries left and right. But when you mix it with blockchain, that's where things really get interesting. So we're talking about decentralized systems that are not only smart, but also autonomous. And that is really pushing boundaries in a way that we could have never imagined it like a few years ago. So let's get into what I believe are the top 3 AI currencies, cryptocurrencies that I believe are currently leading the charge when it comes to this intersection of AI and blockchain. First of all, I want to talk about artificial superintelligence, or ASI, which you might know better by its old name, Fetch.ai. They've undergone a major transformation after merging with SingularityNET and Ocean Protocol, two other very big names in the AI industry or crypto industry. And now their goal isn't just creating intelligent systems, they're actually shooting for decentralized superintelligence. They want to compete with the other big giants like OpenAI and Google. And its name superintelligence means AI that's capable of generating intelligence or even beyond. And it's all decentralized, open source, and community driven. Other words that are very familiar to the cryptocurrency industry. And what's fascinating about ASI is their vision of making this kind of AI accessible and ethically developed with a decentralized framework. So with around 2.63 billion tokens in circulation, as you can see here, they're positioning their token as a backbone for this decentralized AI ecosystem, almost like a reserve currency that could power the future of AI. This merger with SingularityNET and Ocean Protocol gives them some serious clout in the space. And their focus on building a collaborative and ethical AI really puts them at the forefront. It's not just a hype, they are ranking high in the market cap, which shows investors are really paying attention to what they are doing. Next up, we have Render, or their ticker is RNDR. And this one is for all the creative minds out there. A render network is essentially decentralized GPU rendering. So it might sound complex, but think of it this way. All those high-end visuals and animations you see in movies, TV shows, and video games, they require immense computer power, right? Most insane video renders require almost a NASA computer to be able to handle that. A render, they connect artists and developers with decentralized GPU power, so allowing them to tap into a network of resources to bring their creative projects to life. This isn't some theoretical tech either. They're already partnered with big names like Apple and Disney. And I mean, when you partner with companies like that, you know that it's all real and very serious. And because they're tapping into GPU rendering, they're often referred to as the Nvidia of crypto. The market cap shows that people are seeing render's potential, and I think we're going to see this technology used more and more, definitely in high demand industries. Lastly, let's talk about one of my favorite ones, and this is Tau, or Bitensor. Bitensor isn't just an AI app, it's an entire layer 1 blockchain built specifically for AI. What makes Bitensor stand out of its way is that it allows AI models to actually learn from each other with its ecosystem. It's like a decentralized brain where different models share knowledge, building off each other's strengths. It's pretty powerful when you think about it. While its market cap had some corrections, because, crypto can be a wild ride, the belief of Tau's long-term potential is still really strong. The community that's behind this project sees it as a foundation for future AI infrastructure, and yeah, that's a big deal. Before we wrap things up, I want to give some shoutouts or honorable mentions, whatever you want to call it. And first of all, I want to talk about the Graph, or GRT. Strictly speaking, it's not an AI coin, but it does play a critical role in the blockchain space by indexing and curing data. And that might not sound super exciting on the surface, but it's incredibly important for making decentralized applications more efficient and usable. In a new white paper titled The Graph as AI Infrastructure, Semiotic Labs, the organization behind the Graph, introduced two new AI services, Interference and Agent. Agents, a ChatGPT-like tool, built on the Graph's Uniswap data has recently been released to the public as a demo. So feel free to go check that out. And then there's Near protocol. Near is a coin with the highest market cap amongst all of the ones I've previously mentioned. Again, this one is also not purely AI focused, but Near is doing some exciting stuff when it comes to scalability and Web3. They're starting to integrate more AI into their platform, which could make them a key player in the space moving forward. Scalability and interoperability are going to be huge factors as AI continues to grow, and Near is positioning itself to tackle both. So there you have it, 3 AI projects with some honorable mentions that I personally really like. I don't really talk about price that much. If you want me to talk more about price, feel free to leave suggestions, but I believe more in fundamentals than price. Price will always follow if a project has strong fundamentals. Next video is probably going to be another Chainlink video, as I have a very exciting idea in mind. And then going forward, I hope I can do some more interviews. I have some very exciting interview guests ready, but yeah, keep in mind that it takes a long time, especially with high profile individuals or key industry leaders. They have super busy schedules, so it takes a while to align our agendas. Yeah, drop a like, subscribe, comment if you want to. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you next video. Cheers, bye-bye.